Morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? Morning. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday? Yeah. So let's see. You guys have all my levels on my Discord. My watch list for today are Uber, Nvidia, and what's the other one? Oh, CRM is the other one. Uber is looking beautiful. Nvidia, yeah, trying to break all-time high. That's the level to watch, all-time high on Nvidia. HD is done so. It's way down. So I don't see a point on selling HD when the contracts are down like a lot. Yeah, like 62%. So I'm just gonna hold that one. Morning. And you both, I would say both chart a little bit messy. Very messy. But again, you guys have my levels on my Discord. For SpanDQ, what levels I'm looking to trade on both. And I'm gonna be a little bit patient here. Okay, we have an ugly reaction there on Nvidia at all-time high. And pretty much, I think today it's all about Nvidia. If Nvidia breaks all-time high, I think the Q is gonna like go higher. If rejects ugly, and Nvidia had a red day, the Q is just gonna be down. I'm watching 525 on SPY, 452 on the Q. If the Q rejects here the VWAP and 452 and we see Nvidia being bearish, I'm gonna play the downside. How many caps? In fact, not that many. I have like 5. Let's see. I have green, beige, blue, red. I have like 5. I honestly don't wear that many caps. I think I wear them on the stream and when I'm working out. But on my day-to-day, I don't wear caps. I had a killer workout yesterday and lower body workout and everything hurt so bad. I need to walk a lot today so I can loosen up those muscles. Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, we have news at 10. Thank you for that. Bullish on SPY. Bullish if you can hold the levels. But technically, SPY is a mess. and the Q technically is in a downtrend. Morning, Debbie. I have a pain management doctor appointment tomorrow. For my lower back. The daily time frame. Morning. Okay, so we have the Q holding 452, which is the level we want to see holding, but Nvidia is the thing that I don't know, it's making me not want to trade the upside unless it breaks all-time high. So I think I'm gonna be watching for the Q, this high here. We have Apple being weak. Google is doing nothing, but it's looking ugly. Nvidia trying to hold the VWAP, and we have Microsoft at support, but it's not looking strong. Bro, CRM is just going. It just kind of gave us a pullback yesterday, but I wanted to see a little bit more down, and it just today it's just up. I love what Uber is doing, so I'm pretty happy with that swing. It's not up too much, or maybe it's flat, but I like how it's consolidating at support. Okay, so I'm getting ready here. If the Q loses 452 on the VWAP, and I see Nvidia getting ugly, I'm playing the downside. Oh, and I saw that Apex had, no, not Apex, Rhythmic was having a lot of troubles the past few days, so Apex extended the 90% off on everything till the 11th, and the 250k account, 85 one-time fee thing, it's up till next month, till July, so you guys have a lot of time to pass those 250k accounts. It's 90% off and only $85 one-time fee for the PAs. You cannot have a better deal than that. In fact, I got rid of all my 50 and 100k accounts, only using 250. And I got a new Apex coupon code. It's ADR Apex. Pretty easy to remember. And no, Apex do not pay me for this. I just love it. Nvidia keeps rejecting, but it's not having a continuation to the downside. So technically it's rejecting, but it's still holding. What do you guys think about those weird moves that we're having like a few minutes before the market close? So weird, like crazy move to the upside. Look, those daily candle the past 2 days. Crazy. Yeah, and so what? I make money if people use my code. Yeah. It's the least you can do if you're watching the stream. This is free. And I use them. I do use, it's the only prop firm that I use. Yeah, I heard. It's not Apex, it's Rhythmic. So Rhythmic is not Apex. It's like say Trade of it. It's like Rhythmic. It's another company. It's a broker, I think, right? So this is what I'm watching. If Nvidia can break all-time high, the Q is gonna break this level and I'm gonna play the upside. So far, we're looking bullish, but who knows? What are you guys watching today? Funded futures. I never tried it, but this is my opinion on everything in any prop firm. Do whatever works for you. I love Apex because if I can trade, if I can copy trade on 20 accounts, I don't think there's nothing better than that. Unless, and it's very cheap. So that's why I use Apex. It's very cheap. I never had a problem with my payments. I use 20 accounts. Like, it's not the same thing like making $100 in one account and making $100 in 20 accounts. Coin calls? Yeah, coin is looking pretty juicy. Apple, I don't like trading Apple. I don't like how Apple contracts move. But yeah, coin's looking pretty juicy. I do love trading coin. No, I never got denied, but I didn't apply for payment this past time because I'm building up my 250k account. That 230 hold on coin was beautiful. HD is getting back to life. CRM sadly is not giving me a pullback. Uber is looking beautiful. No, it's just one account, one login. You can buy as many accounts you want. So you have one login with many accounts. Okay, so Nvidia is looking bearish right now. Let's see. Under the VWAP and 452, and if Nvidia keeps looking like that, I'm going short on NQ. Keeps holding. And I like this reaction here on SPY. It's rejecting this morning high and pre-market high. Not much. I don't remember. I haven't checked, honestly. The thing is, like, I passed a few 250k last week, but different days, so I want to have all 20 excuse me, kind of around the same cushion or a lot of cushion on all 20, and then apply for payment on all 20. You passed? Now what? Watch their tutorials. You'll have your answer there. Pretty easy. You'll get an email with instructions, pretty much. SPY is very strong compared to the Q. Google is again holding 174 like yesterday, but I don't like those daily candles on Google, and Google is on a downtrend. Google needs to break 176 to be on an uptrend or break that downtrend. Yay, 22% up on Uber. Not options, futures. Apex trades futures, not options. Only futures. That I added more on Uber yesterday, and that was perfect. Today is boom booming. That was just too easy. Uber was just too easy. That's a beautiful, beautiful swing trade. And I've been talking about this Uber setup since, I think, last week. Since Thursday, maybe? Friday? I think Thursday of last week. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna have a trade here. If you haven't received their email, go to the signature section on the Apex website, and you most likely will see your accounts there. My largest withdrawal, I don't know. I honestly don't pay attention to the money. Like I said again, I only watch if I'm trading, if my trading is good or not. If I have money to pay my day-to-day stuff, I'm happy. I don't care. I honestly don't care much about money, cars, watches, all that stuff. Oh yeah, we have news in like 7 minutes, so we'll wait. This is looking pretty juicy, but I'm not gonna risk it. Morning. Buenos dias. Oh yeah, travel, yeah. I do like traveling. And I'm watching Meta above 480. Meta, it's been on a huge range the past, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. If Meta can break out of that range, it's gonna like really boom boom. 5 more minutes for data, and then we can trade. My trading setup is this. Honestly, trading, like walking while trading, it keeps me like my stress down. I love it. I do my cardio here. Like I did like 2 hours of walk, like over between 12k and 17k steps. And I don't feel like if I'm sitting waiting, I feel like I'm losing my time. Not if I'm walking. Bro, look at that. Can you hold it a little bit? I feel like I'm gonna miss my trade. This is a trade that I wanna do. This. Today. Or this. I feel I'm gonna miss it. If we have a move here down, then I'm gonna have to wait under 450 because I'm not looking to short anything like in between these two levels. So far we have not much, but Nvidia is definitely looking weak. And Apple too, so that's not helping the Q. And obviously SPY. But we have this little open here on SPY, and same thing with the Q. If that uptrend can break, we're most likely gonna see a bigger downside. Can CRM just chill a little bit? That gap is so big, so perfect, beautiful. $11.40 is the next support that I see on Nvidia. It was resistant yesterday, so if Nvidia can hold that level, maybe bounce there. But I will not play any upside of Nvidia unless it breaks all-time high. Whoa. Okay, so we have news. We're breaking this, trying to break this morning high. Let's see if it's gonna reject or not. If I see clear rejection there, I'll play the downside. It's pretty much the same thing on SPY and the Q. SPY is rejecting this level, the Q is rejecting this high here. Rejecting 453. Gonna go short here. Let's see. If it breaks this level, I'm getting out. Whoa. Gonna wait and see how this candlestick is gonna close. If it closes above this high, I'm getting out. If it closes with a wick, with a long wick at the top, that's bearish. Watching Nvidia. Nvidia still rejecting the VWAP, and same thing with Apple. Everything depends on how this candle is gonna close. Okay, I'm selling one, selling another one. Let's see, I'm all out. Super happy with that one. So, beautiful rejection of this morning high. The next one is if the Q cannot hold 452. If this 30-minute candle closes like that, that's ugly. Ugly. And to play the upside, I will say this high here on SPY, and if the Q, this high here. So far, we have a bunch of chop around these two levels, so it's better to wait a little bit and see how these 5-minute candles, if closes under the VWAP. So far, Nvidia keeps looking pretty bearish. Same thing with Apple. And it's gonna make it very difficult for the Q and SPY to go higher. Look at these 30-minute candles, looking ugly. So now we have this low here. This is the next level to watch. That was beautiful. Perfect rejection of morning high. Pre-market high also. The same, pretty much the same level. Pre-market high, morning high. So right now we're all about these two levels, right? A break to either side, it's gonna be the rest of the morning direction. Where is the bloodbath now? Right? Bro, you gotta trust your levels. Yeah, patience. It's like patience, understanding how levels work, understanding that I'm scalping. That's a big one when I'm trading futures. It's completely different how I hold my trades on futures, and I'm still working on it, than how I hold my options. So you guys have seen me holding options for weeks or days or an entire day. And yeah, futures is a little bit different, a little bit more risky, a little bit quicker, but If you have good levels and you understand how the market's been moving lately, you can have great mornings. And then the key thing is keeping it, not doing like I did yesterday. I had a very good trade in the like the first one. It was very good trade, and then I messed up and I ended the stream red, even though I changed it around in the afternoon, and ended up not over $900 green, but still. I don't think so, because I traded a little bit after the 10. Like, I wasn't holding anything right when the news came up. I was trading after, a little bit after. So I don't think so. I'm gonna take this out. So I want to see more likes on the videos. Remember to subscribe. And I think I'm done with futures. If I don't see like a good, if I see the market just bouncing around here, I'm gonna be done with futures. But watch out these SPY losing this uptrend here. Watch out for that Q rejecting the VWAP, but I will wait for the Q to lose this level here. And Nvidia keeps looking pretty weak. But right now it's choppy. It's pretty choppy. Nvidia 1140 is the next level that I would like to see Nvidia losing. And then it's gonna be yesterday's low. Thank you. Thank you guys for being here. This week I'm gonna be here pretty much every day. Every day, I don't know if Friday, but at least from Monday till Thursday. I'm gonna be better with that. Sometimes I wake up later in the day and then I trade, but I don't know if you guys watch the stream, if I start the stream like 2 hours or 1 hour later. Yeah, it depends how I wake up. It depends on my mood. My mood, if I'm feeling like trading like early morning, which is kind of what I did. Like I've done that for years, always trading like early morning, and then I'd be done with my day. But I don't know, lately, like how the market it's been moving, I'm having like better trades, like I don't know, around lunch time, which is weird. Sometimes like around between 12 and 2 in the afternoon. You guys will? Okay. Look at that. 525 on SPY. If SPY cannot hold 525, I think it could go to 523. That's an ugly 30-minute candle if it closes like that on the Q, on SPY, Nvidia, pretty much on everything. And HD, it's coming back to life. I want to see HD above 330. I'm only 36% down on HD now. And Meta keeps reacting. It keeps moving inside the same huge range. 518? 518 on what? On SPY, but you need a bunch of support. Like you need to lose a bunch of support before 518. 518 is too far. Could it go there? Yeah. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia was a perfect reaction of all-time high. That was so easy. I don't know why I didn't took Nvidia. Well, I know why. I don't love playing Nvidia all the time. I only like playing Nvidia when I see like an A+ setup, which this one was an A+ setup and I missed. But yeah, I don't like trading Nvidia too much. It's too expensive. Like I prefer, it's not like I don't see, like I see people trading Nvidia pretty much every single day, and I don't think that's good, because if you're paying for one contract, like I don't know how much is one contract right now on Nvidia, over 1K. Let's see. Ooh, over 2K. So if you're paying 2K for Nvidia, and if you're trading Nvidia, we need to understand that Nvidia can move, like can move easily, like 10 points, 5 points, and it's still being inside your setup. So you can go down, like you pay 2K and you still need to hold if it goes down like 20% your contract, or 10% or 15%. It's not the same thing losing 20% on a 2K contract than losing 20% on a, I don't know, $200 contract, right? So that's why I don't love playing Nvidia. I prefer to play something that I can buy like 10 contracts for 2Ks, and then I can sell on the way up if I'm playing the upside, or I can sell a few on the way down if I'm playing the downside, than buying just one contract and having to hold. longer, or just having to sell because I have no options, then just only one. Sometimes I buy 5, but still I don't think it's worth it. I don't know, for me it's not worth it. Only I think I'm gonna play more Nvidia when they do the split. Yes, you can make a lot of money if Nvidia goes on your way, but I don't think the risk is worth the amount of money you need to put in. Nvidia, yeah. Look, Apple is trying to change direction. Apple is trying to hold the view up, which is bullish. Yeah, I think I'll start trading more Nvidia after the split. But again, guys, I don't get married with any stock. I just trade whatever A+ setup I see. Like, if I see a good setup, I trade it. If it's worth the risk, I trade it. But if I don't think it's worth the risk, I just don't trade it. That's it. Coin needs to break 240. If coin can break 240, I think it can go to 248. And for me right now, it's less risky and better for my chi-chin to play futures with Apex than trading Nvidia. I'm gonna give it this like 40 minutes. If I don't see like any clear direction, I'm out. So I'll be out around 11 and go to the gym a little bit earlier because this is a chop fest. And I like this 40 reaction on CRM. I think we might get a double. It's having a double top there. I want to see CRM going to 230, 228. Please. So I can swing trade that thing and play the entire gap. So we have this hold here. Yeah, SPY is looking weak, but still is very choppy. If I take out everything and we only read the candlesticks, this is very choppy. CRM kind of tempting me to play puts, because this is what I'm looking here. So CRM is rejecting the same level that rejected yesterday. It's around 240, and on the daily it looks like it wants to do this. Where is it? Where is it? Kind of like this, or maybe it looks a little bit better here. So this is kind of what I'm looking at. After this high, I can see CRM going lower, but I don't love trading against the trend, so that's why I don't think I'm gonna get that put play, and I'll prefer to wait until CRM goes down to around this level or this level, and then we can play this entire big gap here. So I'll prefer to wait, because the trend here, it's up. Watching coin 240. I'm gonna put a alert there. If it can really break and hold 240, I might play the upside, because I can see it going to 248. And the coin contracts, if you can catch a move, coin contracts move so good. You can literally make your week just trading coin. If you can catch a good move, you can make your month. If this 30-minute candle closes like that, that's weird. That's weird. But I'm not gonna lie, I like this hold here on SPY, but I don't think right now it's worth playing to either side if it keeps moving inside this little range, because technically a range is like this, kind of like that, if it is not for this week when the news came out. But look at the 30-minute here. Why we have that reaction there? That was this high here, and it was support. That's yesterday. Yeah, support yesterday, and that Friday high. So this level, I will say till 528. It's very, very important level that SPY need to break if we want to see more upside. But this choppiness is starting to get very boring. You guys green today or red? Or still waiting? Waiting for a good trade. And same thing here with 453. It was resistance here yesterday, just resistance today in the morning, like early morning, and then it was support also yesterday. Support. Four losses on Nvidia? Why so many trades? Just pick one very good trade and that's it. When I swing trade, it depends how the stock that I'm trading move. Like trading Nvidia is not the same thing as trading Apple. So Nvidia can move easily 10, 20 point, 5 points, and Apple is just 1 point. So you gotta take that in consideration when you're thinking about what contract and what expiration you're looking to play for your swing. Yeah, for passing your evals, remember, just because you can pass it in 1 day, you don't need to. Like, forget about that. I always get asked, like, I find it a little bit funny, like, I always get DMs asking me, like, how do I pass the evals? And my answer is always just go for a good setup. Just treat your evals exactly like any other account. If it is your account, if it is a PA, if it is an eval, just go for good setups. And then you don't need to do it in 1 day. Be patient, go for good setups, and forget about everything else. And you will pass your evals, and you will hold and make money on your PAs. Ooh, that's awesome, David. That's awesome. Super happy here to help. That makes my day. Yeah, exactly. 1 week, it's pretty good. You have a month until you are gonna charge the monthly fee. So take it easy. Let's see if the Q Inspire gonna break this high. Nvidia still needs to break the VWAP, but Apple and Microsoft are looking very good, very strong. I think Apple is gonna go again for 195. $195 rejected yesterday, rejected today in the morning. Let's see if it's gonna finally break that level, Apple. You can take as much time as you want, but you're gonna get charged monthly per eval account. And also it depends what account you're using. I don't think you should take like 3 months to pass a 25k, 50 or the 100k account. It's not that hard, unless you trade like once per week or maybe twice per week. But 3 months it's a lot of time. It's too much. I will say like 3 weeks it's decent. Another reaction of the same level. Microsoft is rejecting morning high, which is pretty much pre-market high also. Oh no, pre-market high, no, morning high. What was that? Microsoft on the pre-market has weird 2 candlesticks. Big candlesticks. There was news with Microsoft pre-market. You're green? That's awesome! Congrats! I feel like I should be done here because the market is doing nothing. But I'll stay a little bit more if you guys have any questions so I can finish my over 10k steps for the day. I would love to play more upbeat music. The thing is like you cannot play everything on YouTube. Like if I play something that is not allowed on YouTube, most likely the videos are gonna be deleted after I finish the stream. But if you can find me a very good house music that it's allowed on YouTube and I don't have to deal with the copyright thing, I'll be happy to play it. I'm long on HQ. I long HD yesterday because I like the 330 support. I don't like it so much right now, but I can still see it holding 324. So why I'm long on HQ, I posted my explanation on my Discord like yesterday or 2 days ago. It's a falling wedge. It's a falling wedge play. But I don't. If you're not on HD, I don't think right now it's a good entry. You want to see it above 330. 330, 328. No, I would say 330. Above today's high. That's a level I want to see HD holding. Just look at the daily. If you look at the daily, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But if not, like I said, I posted on my Discord, I think yesterday morning, yeah. What happened with Netflix? I thought Netflix was gonna boom boom. And it's under 635. That is not bueno. Netflix is so weird. Like, if you catch when it move, you can make so much money. But then sometimes it fake you out. A lot of times, fake you out. I used to swing trade a lot Netflix, not anymore. And if I see a good move, I just sell. Most of the time, I sell the same day. Café del Mar, I'll check that out. Nvidia trying to break the VWAP. Nvidia is fighting. Held 1140. So, okay, this is what I'm looking at on Nvidia. Wait, no, this one. Okay, this is what I'm looking on Nvidia. So this level here around 1140 was resistance pretty much the entire day yesterday until the last 1 hour of the market close. So, and that's the level that Nvidia is holding today as support, which is technically bullish. So basically, we want to see, if we want to play the upside, we want to see Nvidia holding this level here. Yesterday resistance, today is acting as support, and then most likely it's gonna go back to all-time high and trying to retest this level here, this entire level here. And then if we want to see a real boom boom, we want to see Nvidia breaking this high, today high, like pretty much morning high. As of now, it's just not doing much, just being super like choppy. But again, it's holding this little level here, which is technically bullish. Thank you. If upbeat music makes you take more risk, that is not bueno. You don't want to have upbeat music. I heard that before. Who was the one that said that if he listens like techno music or house music before trading, he will be more risky? I think it was Rick Trades. Yeah. I think I saw that on one of his videos. He said that if he listened to any like music that it put him on a good move, he think he's gonna come up and trade more or being like more risky, basically. It makes sense. Yeah. If you're super hype, you come here super hype. Yeah, you're gonna be looking for trades like crazy. I don't use IG for anything related to trades. So no IG. I only have YouTube and my Discord. Okay, we're looking bullish right now. Oopsie, no. Rewind. But technically, the Q is still in this little 30-minute uptrend. No, I don't know. I barely use Instagram, honestly. That CRM put play is definitely tempting me. Let's see how are those contracts. CRM weekly, let's say 237. Those contracts are like down 235 and 237.50 are down like 13-18%. Should I take it? I'm gonna go with one for science only. I got a weekly 235. Let's see. My PT is, let's see, mainly yesterday's low, but I will say the first one is open and print. Look at daily. What is a daily? I already talked about why I was I like the possible downside, but it's again it is risky because I'm going against the trend. That's why I only took one. What is happening on the daily time frame on CRM? I already talked about that. What is happening on the 30 and the 1 hour time frames? Look at that chart. It's making higher highs or lower highs. Is rejecting the VWAP or is holding the VWAP? It's on an uptrend or in a downtrend like intraday right now. Again, the best trade, I think the best setup on CRM is just waiting for a pullback and playing the upside continuation. That's the trade on CRM. It's not this little science experiment that I'm doing with one put. But this is so boring. Nothing is happening. The market is doing shit. I'm leaving in like 10 minutes. There's nothing like should fall. We don't know what. Let's not guess what could happen. We just read what's going on here right now. What it's doing. Doing nothing. So basically we have no confirmation to either side and the market is doing nothing. I'm pretty happy with my trade today. One very good trade, very good entry, and done. That's it. Look at CRM. What is CRM doing? Going down, 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 down. PT1 open and print. PT2 is yesterday's low. That's it. When it comes to futures, nothing to do here. Again, nothing to do here if we keep like trading inside this range. If you're a scalper, you can go and trade like this rejection, this bounce, but I'm done. Uber, let's see, 66. But if you are on my Discord, you will know what's the move that I'm looking for Uber. I post a picture there with a arrow. And I don't want you guys to get confused. My Discord is only for me posting my free market watch list and my levels. That's it. There's no talking. I don't post like when I'm entering or exiting a trade. I only post you guys what I'm looking to trade, so you guys can get prepared and trade either on your own or come here on the stream and trade with me, but you already know what levels I'm looking. Okay, let's watch CRM and I'll be done here. That 240 reaction was perfection. It's right at the morning, like the opening print, so I should take a little bit of profit here. But it's looking so bearish. Oh, and I'm only holding one, so I cannot take profit there. I only bought one. I'm just gonna hold it. We have a clear downtrend here. It's trying to hold the opening print. Let's see if it's gonna hold that or 234.40. That's Friday high. And that's yesterday's open pretty much. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, coin is holding very good, but still needs to break 240. Nvidia looking weak again. The market is doing nothing today. Google is just holding. Apple is a chop mess. Everything is a chop mess. Microsoft, same thing. Holding for 10, but it's not doing anything. I don't use any EMA. I don't use any indicator other than the VWAP. I'm gonna move these gap thin higher so it's easier for us to see here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I like to have my charts very clean. I'm seeing the queue here that it has a bunch of lines and a bunch of levels, and I'm kind of freaking out. I think I'm gonna clean and remove everything and then do the levels again because it's a mess. But also spine the queue the past few days it's been so messy and weird that I understand why I have so many levels. Buy again here. Is it gonna hold it or finally lose that level? Between SPY and the Q right now, I think that SPY is more like SPY chart. It's cleaner than the Q. The Q is a little messy with this down here. This down move here. What's this? Wait. Okay, it's 11 o'clock, guys. I'm leaving. Done with features. I'm not gonna trade anything else in the afternoon. Still holding HD. It's down, but not much I can do about that one. Uber is still holding my level, so I'm still holding Uber. CRM is just one contract, and you guys know what's my plan there. So yeah, I'm done for today. Thank you guys for being here. Watch out this level here on SPY. But I wouldn't waste my time. If you're green, I'll be out, like out for today. So yeah, see you guys mañana.